If you're wondering how you can turn on or turn off the auto rotate feature on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to your home screen and open the control center. Now in the control center, you will find the option of landscape lock. Now if you tap on landscape lock and if you enable auto rotate, you will be able to automatically rotate your tablet. Just like that. Now if you cannot find this icon in the control center, then just open the control center and tap on the edit button. From here, just tap on edit and under the available button section, just look for the option of landscape lock or auto rotate. Now just tap on it to add it to the control center. Then select done. Now after you do that, you will add the auto rotate feature in the control center. Now if you want to turn off the auto rotate feature, just tap on auto rotate and set it on landscape or portrait. And after you disable auto rotate, you will lock the orientation of the tablet to whatever you have set. As you can see, we have set it to landscape. Now it is locked in landscape mode. Now let's lock the orientation on portrait. As you can see, it is currently on portrait. And if we try to rotate the tablet, as you can see, the orientation of the tablet has been locked. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on or turn off the auto rotate feature on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.